voices everybody. Roll camera. Cue the shield.
Hey Stiff. I wanna tell you something right now.
Oh, let me guess. You wanted to ask me that we are doing the Looney Tunes logo bloopers? For Spiffy Pictures logos, yes, and VeggieTales, no? This is like the old WB Shield. Huh. Hey, Shield guy.
What? S up? Spiffy Pictures.
You're not doing the 1990-something Looney Brothers logo. We were doing the Looney Tunes intro logo bloopers, and that's final. Get it right, you jerkface.
All right. Sheesh.
And shush the sheesh.
You can be sure it's Westinghouse.
Westinghouse. I love Westinghouse.
I agree with Noggin. I love Westinghouse. I agree with the head. I love Westinghouse.
Now cut that out. 20th Century Fox. I watched the Peanuts movie, and this was good.
Okay, all of you, just stop about that love thing. Whoops. I mean, this isn't 20th Century Fox. Alright, Shield guy, you had your fun. Now let's get serious.
Shield.
You don't see.
Yes, I bellowed. Shield guy. What the heck is the 20th Century Fox logo? It's WP, 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 WP. Look, you jerk. Can you see that? Your brain is broken.
My brain is not broken. Sheesh.
And shush the sheesh now. Gee.
Look, Sam, can't we just get to this stupid logo? Sheesh.
Republic Pictures? What is that supposed to be?
I'm Noggin, but I do nothing of the kind.
Seriously, Mr. P-Head? Get out of this. Just kidding. Just quiet on the set. Cue the logo. And 3, 2, 1.
Starry night, dumb. Starry night, dumb. But excuse me. Starry night, dumb. But excuse me. I don't care.
Shield guy. Stop with this. Now.
Okay, Doofus.
Oh noes, not the klasky csupo robot. It's even worse than the big backwards ending mask of the nose I am. No.
Yes. Well, here we go again. Time to save Sam from yet another scary logo. Get away, you doofus. Sam is mine, and you can't have it, you jerk.
Are you kidding me right now? Looks like he'll have to shoot Sluck. Out of the klasky csupo robot. That. That's it. Take that.
Darn it, foiled. He'll get you next time, you big fat jerks.
Thanks, Noggin. You saved my life again.
You're welcome. Spiffy Pictures. Remember last time? I shoot the people.
Yeah, can we just get on to the logo?
I am a Burger production. We'll hear all cartoons again.
That's good.
Can we get this right? With cherry S on top.
Good one.
Uh-oh. Messing Side-Oofed again.
He thinks right. Shoot guy. But what time is it?
Dun, dun, dun. It is 5:21.
Holy mother of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Look at the top.
We are on our last take. Let's get it done and over with.
We did it. Finally. She'll die. I am giving you $1,0.
Thank you, Sam. Yeah. Thanks so much.
Let's just take the rest of the day off.
Hey, man. How about we go out to eat? That is a good idea. Sam, stop talking to yourself. Baby.